Hey everybody, this is Sean, and we're at the 3-week mark since we moved the wine into the carboy, and I've got a problem. I can see little yeast blooms and bacterial growth on the top of the wine. It's starting to affect the flavor a little bit, added a little bit of bitterness to it, so I know it's something that I need to get rid of that. So today I'm going to be racking the wine from this carboy into this fresh, clean one that I've sanitized. Got everything I need in here, put in my sanitizing liquid and everything, and then that's the sanitizer that I use to make the liquid, just makes hydrogen peroxide. And then we've got some Camden tablets, which I'm going to crush up and mix in with the wine after we've racked it. Put some in the little thing first, so that when it mixes together it all mixes up. This is a metabisulfite. Usually it's sodium metabisulfite or potassium metabisulfite. They did not tell me which ones I'm getting. I'm pretty sure these are potassium metabisulfite because it's more popular. But I will put in 1 to 2 of these per gallon. Since we have 6 gallons, I decided to go with maybe 8 or 9 of them and meet it in the middle, which seemed right to me. And this will kill any bacterial growth that there is and stop the yeast. So the wine will be stuck at whatever alcohol level it's at now, but whatever's in there will not drink all of the alcohol on me, because that bacteria can transfer, like it turns the alcohol into vinegar on you. And you don't want acetic acid in there, because then we've got a giant 23-liter jug, or 6 gallons, of blackberry vinegar, which is not what we're after today. So first up, I'm going to end up getting this guy on the floor so that I can siphon from him. And I'm going to make sure that I don't take the very bottom layer that you've seen has settled there, or this very top layer. Don't think you can see through the plastic here, but it's got like little white things like that on it. We're going to avoid getting that in there as well. So, wish me luck. Now that our tablets are in there, I need one of these. This is a wand that you use for siphoning. It's got a little red thing on the bottom to keep us from catching things. I'm going to be putting this in there and then giving a suck on the hose that I forgot to attach to it before shooting this scene, and that'll help us get all of the liquid into there. I'm ready to start siphoning, which means this wand carefully goes in here, slowly so as to not disturb the film that's on the top. And then it's got that red tip so you can see where it is. I'll bring it down to just above that level, and now it's time for us to suck on the hose and start the rest of the process. Got my hose here. And there goes the wine. There it goes. I'm going to be standing here for quite some time, but that's fine. It's worth it in the end, because I love wine. There we go. We rescued our wine. You can see that there's no sediment in there anymore. It's bubbling a little bit because we've got those tubs in there that are filling it up with some sulfur dioxide, or the metabisulfites in there. Those produce sulfur dioxide and outgas, but they also kill any bacteria that's in there, which could also be a yeast bloom, but it's really not worth risking it. I figure the bitter flavors might be from blackberry, but either way, I don't want to risk that. We've got a nice, clean, and sanitized bung on the top with its airlock, and tomorrow we're probably going to pick up some wine or some port or sherry or something like that and just fill this up the rest of the way so that there's less air contact. Hopefully there won't be any growth between now and then, but with all of those Camden tablets in there, I don't think there could be. But we'll find out, I suppose. And hopefully this wine will be rescuable, and I will see you in a month's time, or if anything else happens with this wine. So that's the end of part 3 of our winemaking series. If you like this episode, check out our other videos. Make sure that you've seen part 1 and 2 if you haven't seen them yet. Like, share with a friend, subscribe, and have a great night. Goodbye!